Okay, we're gonna do a cooking with stousley here. This is, what I like to call stousley extravaganza. Now, just get a look at this beautiful bread. Just, good lord of that, yeah. Oh yeah. I just had to get some of that in my mouth. Alright. I like it. This is good for when you're about to go on a bike ride. It gives you a lot of energy. Just cut open this. This is Propel, Gatorade, kiwi strawberry. Just yeah. Yeah, get that on there. Yeah. Okay. This is airborne. See, I'm just addicted to this stuff. I had to like sell my mother's candle that's been in the family for like 300 years to get some of these. So yeah, we're just gonna open this. And we were gonna use cucumbers, but we don't have that, so we're gonna use celery flakes. Now it's time for the taste test. Oh. That's good. The airborne perfectly complements the bread. Just makes it amazing. So, I guess that's it for the video.
Well, if you like it, take another bite.
I'm not gonna take another bite. I'm full. Yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. Bye.